I couldn't do Memphis in a day. I had about 4 hours to kill. I figured I'd drive all the way from Little Rock since I had nothing better to do until the marathon tomorrow. I basically ended up doing Graceland, Lorraine Motel, Beale Street, and just kind of a river walk around the big pyramid, the Pro Bass Shop Pyramid. It looks very much like a Luxor in Vegas, but I guess they just sell a lot of fishing equipment and sporting goods there. Memphis, you've been good to me for the 4 hours, but it's about time to head back to Little Rock and get something to eat, get some rest, and get ready for tomorrow's marathon.